All right, my peeps, I'm back. So let's go make some carrot oats punch. All right, it's gonna be really yummy and delicious. Okay, let's go. Oh, and please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Okay, guys. So now, my peeps, I'm gonna make some carrot oats punch. All right, yes, I'm gonna put a little bit of jargon in it, some oats, lots of flavor. All right, so we're not gonna waste anything. So basically, guys, I'm gonna boil these. All right, I washed them already. I'm just gonna cut them anyhow you want, and then I'm gonna put them in the pot. All right, guys, this is it. I cut them up. You want to cut up about 4 to 5 large carrots. Okay, and I'm gonna put a piece of cinnamon stick in the water. Cinnamon stick. All right, and I'm just gonna put them to boil. I'm just gonna semi-boil them. Boil them for about 7 to 8 minutes. You can even boil them for 10 minutes. It's up to you. Just enough so that they can blend soft, because we're not gonna strain it. All right, I'm just gonna let this boil, cool down. You gotta make it cool down, you know, guys. And I'm gonna come back in a few hours and we're gonna make the punch. All right. All right, guys, I'm back, and this one gonna be quick and fast. Okay, so I have my carrots there, and I have my oats. I soak it in some warm water. Ooh, there you go. All right, guys, I put it on the camera stick so you can see a little bit better. Now this is my dragon, and I'm gonna use half bottle. Not too much. I don't like too much alcohol, but I like the taste of it. Vanilla, I'm gonna go in with 2 teaspoons. Almond extract, I'm gonna put about half teaspoon. I'm gonna put a little bit of nutmeg, about half teaspoon. Yeah, about 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, just a smidge, even half, it's up to you. And this is my sea moss gel, you know. So this is about 1/4 cup right there, so guys, look at that, about a 2 tablespoons. So I'm putting about 1/3 cup in there. And the next thing, I'm going to put some creamy malt. All right, Lasco. I'm going to put about half pack of it, or a little bit more than half pack. And I'm thinking I'm going to put a little bit of almond milk, so I have enough water to blend it. Oopsie, that's it. You can blend it with ice, but it's full now, so I'm going to blend it. Put ice in it after, and we're gonna blend away. All right, guys, now I'm gonna taste it and see if I have to put a little bit of brown sugar in it, or you can use some condensed milk. Okay, It's up to you. Oh, so creamy. It's so good. I think I'm gonna put like a 2 teaspoon or 2 tablespoon brown sugar. All right, guys, I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoon brown sugar, something like that. I don't want to overdo it. All right, guys, I'm gonna blend it and serve it over some ice, but you can blend it with ice. All right, let's serve up some. Wow, look at that goodness. Smells so good. Guys, I'm back. I have some ice. I should have put the ice in it, but my blender is too full. Girl, too greedy. All right, guys, let's pour some of the goodness. Look how thick. Oh my. Over here. Oopsie. And I have more. Oh my god, look how rich it is. Oh, and it tastes amazing. All right, guys, and this is it. This is my carrot oats sea moss punch. Drink this and never get weak again. All right, strong up them on them back, bodybuilder. Get strength in all the right places. All right, guys, this is it. Full of protein, full of fiber, full of nutrients, full of vitamins. Overall complete meal here, healthy meal. Drink it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This is good for a liquid diet as well. All right, my peeps, love upon me. Let me clean that spot for that. Tastes good. Love upon me, and I love upon you. All right, bye, guys. Oh my god, it's so thick. Guys, before I go, I want to show you how thick it is. See this? Oh my goodness. So creamy. Let me taste it. Amazing. Try this, guys, and tell me how you like it. You can add whatever you want in yours. Okay? Bye, guys.